alien chemistry possibilities. Here's where things get really fascinating. What if these interstellar visitors are carrying chemical recipes we've never seen before? An object formed in a completely different stellar environment would be built from a different cloud of gas and dust. Telescopic analysis of 2I Borisov, led by scientists like Dennis Bodowitz, revealed it contained anywhere from 9 to 26 times more carbon monoxide than the average solar system comet. This suggests it formed in an extremely cold, carbon-rich region around its home star. This raises a profound question, one often explored by thinkers like Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb. Could these objects carry complex organic molecules with structures fundamentally different from those on Earth? Life here is based on left-handed amino acids. Finding right-handed versions on an interstellar object would be revolutionary. It would be powerful evidence for the theory of panspermia, the idea that the chemical seeds of life are spread throughout the galaxy on objects just like these. If we could analyze a sample, we might find that the building blocks of life are common across the cosmos, but maybe they follow slightly different rules. It would be the ultimate test of whether life as we know it is a cosmic fluke or a universal blueprint.